So in our morning workbooks, we're on Unit 3, Week 6, Day 5. Check your page at the top. Make sure you're in the right spot. The directions say to edit and write each sentence correctly and circle the verbs, which I think we've been forgetting to do this week. But here we go. Number 1, did you find the 5 ladies' coats? Find the mistakes, fix it up, rewrite it on the line. Number 2, the man have Carson's hat. The man have Carson's hat. Fix that up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Daily math review, you know what to do there. Ooh, a fact family, I like these. So you're going to start with 4 plus 5 and complete the rest of the fact family. Number 7, we have a problem with 2 double-digit add-ins, so 52 plus 43, work through that. I don't see any regrouping. Pause your video and do those. Number 8, count the number of same size squares in the rectangle to find the area inside. So there are how many rows of how many in each row and how many total squares. And number 9, write the amount shown in 2 ways. So these are all quarters, so they all have the same value. Definitely recommend writing the value on each one to help you. So you're going to write it in cent notation, and then over here you're going to write it in dollar and cent notation. Just a clue, there are no dollars. There are no dollars. Pause your video and wrap those up. And let's start checking from the top. Did you find the 5 ladies' coats? So the first thing I've noticed is that it's a question. We're asking something. Okay, so let's see. Did you find the 5? So there's 5 ladies. It's the ladies' coats. Okay. The first thing I notice is this Y should be an I. So L-A-D-I, and then E-S, ladies, right? Because it's more than one. And then the apostrophe is going to go at the end like that, ladies' coats. And so then we're going to rewrite number 1 on the line. All right, we got number 1 looking good. We'll come back for the verbs. Number 2, the man have Carson's hat. So we need to capitalize the, because it's at the beginning of the sentence. So the man, and we're going to say that he has Carson's hat, and since it's Carson's hat, we need an apostrophe S to show possession. The man has Carson's hat. Then we're going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat and then find the verbs. Alright, so let's see. Let's go with red today. Okay, so what did you do? Did you find the 5 ladies' coats? So that's the verb. And then the man has Carson's hat. Okay. Then we'll go down to the daily math review. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 8 plus 3 is 11. They must really like this problem. 3 plus 7 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, the fact family. So we got to solve this first. And then we have to do the turnaround fact, right? So we swap these numbers, and that's going to be the same answer. And then for the subtraction, we have to start with the biggest number each time. And so for one, we'll subtract 4. For the other one, we'll subtract 5. And so this can only be 5, and this can only be 4. Let's see. Let's work through this. So 2 and 3 is 5 in the ones place. No regrouping, and then 5 tens and 4 tens is 9 tens, so 95 is our answer. Okay, we'll scroll down. Count the number of same size squares. So it looks like in each of these rows, right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So 4 rows of, there's 2 in each row, so that means we have 8 total squares. Alright, so we're going to write this amount shown in 2 ways. So the first thing you do is write the values of each coin. And if you don't know how much 3/4 equals, rewrite it. Figure it out. You guys have strategies for adding multiple numbers now. So we can add 25 plus 25 plus 25. And see, I know what this is going to equal, but hey, why not work through it? So 5, 10, 15, right? Count by 5s. So 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones, and then 2, 4, 6, 7. So 75 cents. So I'm going to write that here. And then I already told you there's no dollars. So in dollar and cent notation, it's $0, and that's what the period means. That's why we don't say and when we say the year, right? 2021. or 2020, right? We don't say 2021. So $0.75. All right, you are all done. Get started with your next assignment.